All right, folks, changes in diet, lack of activity, or even side effects to medication and medical treatment are some of the reasons why persons experience weight loss or gain. Family physician and adjunct lecturer at the Department of Community Health and Psychiatry at UWI, Dr. Pauline Williams-Green, looks at the up and down of weight. Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. And sometimes you just get old, and because you're getting older, you just put on weight, no?
That's true. With age, most of us put on weight.
Yeah.
It's not easy, so we have to focus on our weight as an indicator of how healthy we are.
Okay.
So if we notice we're putting on weight, we should try and do something to attain the proper weight suggested. And
the same if you notice you're losing too much, eh?
definitely. And some of us naturally, especially older persons, they tend to lose muscle and then they lose weight.
Yeah.
So sometimes we have to address weight loss.
How
as
do
well.
I know what I'm supposed to wear? Like I'm 68 years old, I am 6 foot tall. How I know what is my weight supposed to be?
Right, so there are several ways. The most common, though, is the body mass index, the BMI. And it's a comparison of your weight with your height. And based on this, we develop tables which serve for both men and women, the same tables. It comes up with a ratio. If you're under 18, then if you're under the number 18, you're underweight. Between 18 and 25, you're pretty much safe.
And
it's
I
a
find
norm.
that out how?
You calculate it. Or, as I said, you can go on Google or any other and just
Enter the numbers.
Enter the numbers, your weight and your height, and they'll calculate it for you.
Let's try.
It's easy. Sure, you go ahead. You want to do it in pounds or you want to do it in
Pounds.
In pounds? Okay. So your weight in pounds over your weight in inches squared times 703 will give you your BMI. You want to do that?
Google
That can
BMI
just confuse me.
calculator.
But it's done easily
BMI
on Google for you.
calculator.
BMI calculator.
Yeah.
Put in
We'll
your
do it for
height,
you.
put in your weight, and
All
it gives
right.
you. And I'm going to
Yeah.
bet you're going to be about 23.
I'm going
Never
to be 23.
small, you know that.
I'm going to be 23.
Yes.
That's the BMI.
That's the BMI. And any BMI between 18 and just under 25 is normal. Daily.
So what I put
No,
in
me know
BMI
my
what?
BMI. You know, after
What I
look
put
at
in
me, know
BMI
my
what?
BMI.
BMI
Put it-
calculator.
That me know my BMI.
Okay.
I would have never put it out
It
to the
says
world.
BMI calculator for men.
Yes, go right ahead.
Correct.
Put in your height.
Yeah, man, we can continue to do the interview and then I will tell you what
Oh,
I'm
all
coming up
right,
with.
cool. All right, so there are different reasons for losing or gaining weight. Some of them may be medical reasons. As you say, some might be related to aging.
Yeah.
What are some of the healthy, well, let me start with the unhealthy first. Because people nowadays, I want to lose weight, but some of the fad diets, some of the things that they're doing are not healthy ways. What makes them unhealthy?
Okay, so we're talking about somebody who wants to lose weight.
Right, let's start with them first.
Right, so some people want to lose weight because they want to have a particular size, right? They're tired of wearing a size 12 and they may want to go down to a size 8. It's not necessarily bad, but are you really a size 8? You may really be a size 10. That may be your healthy weight. So this is where your BMI comes in and your health professional can help you. However, really unhealthy reason, Dahlia, is just to, because somebody has said you're fat, they've shamed you. And, just because somebody has bullied you doesn't mean that you are going to conform to them. You are going to seek the weight that's best for your health.
Right, right. What are some of the side effects that can come from? I've read somewhere that rapid weight gain or rapid weight loss may or may not affect your organs if you're not
All
careful.
of you. In other words, if you lose weight too quickly, it's going to usually mean loss of water. So, without water, you become dehydrated, you're weaker, you don't think clearly. Also, losing weight too quickly is going to mean loss in muscle.
Right.
And you need muscle for energy. And without energy, your skin won't glow, you won't feel fine, and that's unhealthy.
Right,
What's
so those
the
are
point?
some of the physical things that you have to consider when losing weight. So tell me what are some of the others? Your skin you mentioned. Because if it's too rapid, you may have sagging skin. So what are some of the other physical changes that you have to consider?
In terms of losing weight unhealthy. Well, losing weight unhealthily, as I said before, it's going to mean you have less energy, you will be lackluster, you won't be able to think clearly either. Your actual sex life, your ability to do things that you would want to do would not be possible. Because
what happens to your sex life?
It won't be as good as before.
Oh.
And if it was already bad, it's going to be
worse.
What you said my BMI was going to be?
About 23.
It's 21.
Okay, just a little over. Right, so it's a normal BMI. May I just say something, though, that you can have a good BMI but still be unhealthy because of your waist circumference. So if you have too much belly fat.
Never have no belly fat.
That's why I thought he was 23, but 21 is good. 21 is good.
21 is good?
Very good.
Oh,
yes.
Well, me have belly outside.
So too much belly fat actually has cardiovascular.
So take a guess what day
No, she not forget me. Tell me no. She not forget.
But Dahlia, it's not only
ma'am.
the BMI. You know, if you have a lot of muscle, if you work out and you have a lot of muscle, the BMI can confuse you.
My own not confuse me. Me not work out.
Go back to the BMI. What if you're a little bit over, a little bit under? Is there a concern there?
No. Really what is important, remember I said if you have a little bit of a belly, it's a problem. So some of us are a little bit over. In fact, 27, a BMI of 27 is what most Jamaicans consider to be really good.
Why?
Because you look fluffy.
Is fluffy good?
It depends on you, because if it's muscle, then it's good.
Yeah.
As I said before, the body mass index does not differentiate between body fat and muscle. So especially in persons of African descent, we tend to be muscular. It can be confused. So you really need a professional to help you. And that's why I mentioned the waist circumference.
Talk to me about this. Sorry, Nima, but because I've heard that before. Even I've seen ads and people are talking about the belly fat and what the belly fat does. And you're saying it nicely, the waist circumference. Why is that so important? And
Right.
what are some...
There has been shown a great correlation between belly fat and blood vessel and heart disease, as well as diabetes type 2.
Wow.
So it's very important.
Yeah.
And cancers as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
You mentioned 27. I don't know if you said ideal, but people think it should
Yes.
be. I am 21. But all right, so I work it out how I know whether I'm good or I'm bad.
I just said between 18 and 25, you're good.
No matter who you are and your age and all kind of thing?
In general, nothing is completely exclusive. So it's in general. Between 18 and 25, it's a pretty good BMI.
Oh. Something not bad then.
You're not bad working out.
I don't. I have a stationary bicycle that I ride every day. And I tell myself I must ride even 10 minutes a day.
Yeah.
And sometimes I will show up and go half hour. And sometimes I can't wait for the 10 minutes for me to get up back and go sit down.
But 10 minutes is a start. That's good.
Yeah.
And
Every day, that's good.
That's pretty good.
So I try to do that. I guess I think I did about 15 minutes.
Excellent.
We never so bad, yes. But sometimes I cannot wait for the 10 minutes reach for me to stop, you know.
Understood.
And then when I'm coaching, I kind of juggle with the kids and stuff. So
Right.
But I don't want to show off, and I don't have a fitness regime. I don't go to a gym.
You
and
don't
stuff
need one. In fact, the incorporation of physical activity in your routine activities is much more important than working out on the bicycle.
I want to get back to something you were saying, same waist circumference, because now people are saying they want to correct body weight through surgery. Some people are saying, oh, why are you doing that? And why? For me, if it improves your self-esteem and your health, I'm good with it. But does it help if you have too much belly fat and you say, listen, I'm going to reduce some of it surgically because it's unhealthy? Isn't that okay?
That's fine. The only thing is not sustainable.
Okay.
Because if you go back to your bad habits, you're going to put back that money and you'll need to go for more liposuction.
Right. So just a kickstart.
It's just a kickstart. So you need to do the right things.
We just need to be careful, don't we? I mean, and sometimes you wait till you reach my age to start say, I better start doing this and I better start doing that.
No problem. Better late than never.
I know, but you really need to be
From
practicing
early.
good habits from early.
And we should teach our children and lead by example.
Okay. What's your BMI?
25.
25? She show off feet?
She just catch the itch.
Brilliant. Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
for
you
coming.
too.
Family physician and adjunct lecturer at the Department of Community Health and Psychiatry at UA, Dr. Pauline Williams-Green.
When we return, run for your heart.
Some